Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is INKSCAPE and today I welcome you to a really special video because more than 30,000 people have subscribed to INKSCAPE channel, and I'm super grateful to everyone who watch videos, who comments, so thank you very much guys. And today I want to really give you something amazing. And today I will show you what amazing stuff you can do with this free brush and slide package that I have packed for you, ladies and gentlemen. So what do we have in store? We have awesome Grunge brush circles. You can grab any of these circles, you can change colors, of these circles, you can resize them, and you can even use them as photo placeholders. And I will actually show you a slide, with this Grunge brush circle. Next, I have, manually selected a couple of awesome straight brush strokes for you, which again you can use in your slide designs or for your photo placeholders. Next, we have some wavy brush strokes. Again, you can create lots of beautiful slide designs with these wavy brush strokes. If you remember, some time ago I have created a video called brush slides or brush photo something like that, and in that video I was creating brushes with the help of a font, a brush font. And in this case it's a little bit different, and I'll explain everything soon. And next, I have collected some drops for you, some splatters, which again you can use in your slide designs. I'll give you some examples. And some handwritten arrows, again, which can enrich your slide design. And I want to say huge thanks to onlygfx.com because they have a wonderful website. Let me show it. And they have lots of, they basically have all of these brush strokes and splatters and everything. And they're absolutely free, for your personal or commercial use. The only thing you have to keep in mind that all of these strokes, brush strokes, they're provided in PNG format. So if you download a PNG image directly to PowerPoint, you will not be able, to edit it, to change the color. So I have made a few additional steps. I converted all of those brush strokes to editable objects, so that you can, without worry, grab these elements, any element that you see here, and you can, do anything that you want with them straight away. If you're interested in this technical stuff, how to convert PNG image to a object that you can edit in PowerPoint, I will quickly explain this at the end of this video, so so we don't get into the technical details. And for now, let me actually show you how you can use these brush and these drops in real life situations. So let's say you have a slide looking like this. So we have a slide title, some subtitle, some smaller text, and with the help of a few splashes and maybe one brush stroke, as you can see, we can really add a new emotion to this slide. So this was the previous slide, and here is a slide with a couple of brush strokes. So this is one way of how you can use these splatters and brushes. Another thing that you can do with the brush strokes, so you can create awesome placeholders for your photos. So on this slide you can see, I would say, more a traditional image placeholder on the left side. And here I have made an image placeholder with the help of brushes. So now it looks more, modern, much more interesting. Again, we have a full screen photo with some text in the center. And with the help of Grunge circle, we can create awesome looking image placeholder. Nice, and I will show you how to do that. And for the arrows, again, you can, enrich your slides with some handwritten arrows and some scribbles. You can scribble around some, important parts of your slide. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we're going to do today. So let me show you how I made this slide. Let's actually open up a blank new slide. And let me enable the shortcuts, the keyboard shortcuts, so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this was the original slide. Okay, and now let's add some splash on this 30K text. Okay, so let's go back to our presentation, to our package. So here are the splashes. Let's grab any splash that you like. For example, let's grab this one. Just select it, hit Ctrl+C to copy. Let's go to our new presentation, Ctrl+V to paste. And here you go. Just send it to back, so it's behind the text. And yeah, and change fill according to your needs. Now, any fill that you like. You can even use the eyedropper tool, and we can grab this blue color. And voila! Resize the splash according to your needs. That's beautiful. We can even change these letters to white color, so they stand out a little bit better. And let's check out our original slide. And here I have added a straight brush stroke here at the bottom. So let's grab a brush stroke. Okay, for example, this one. Ctrl+C to copy. Ctrl+V to paste. Again, let's send it to back. Let me copy the color, okay. And let's resize this stroke so that it covers, the whole subtitle. We can rotate it a little bit. Okie dokie. And for this text, we can make it white as well. Yep, beautiful. So this is how you can enhance your slide design, your slide title, or any part of your slide with some, splashes and some brush strokes. So that's looking cool. Okay, so the next slide that I did was, let's just copy this slide. So this was here was just the image placeholder with this left side of the slide. So basically you can insert any picture here that you like. Yeah, something like this. And let's say that we want to create a brush image placeholder. So let's get back to our presentation. Let's grab this wavy brush stroke, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste. For now, we can actually delete the photo and delete this placeholder, because we'll create a new placeholder. For now, we just can, rotate and position this brush according, to our taste. We can resize it. Yeah, we can do something like this. And as you can see, you can combine many different brushes into one object. For example, this in this slide, I have made this object out of many different brush strokes. So you can construct lots of cool elements. Okay, let's duplicate one more time. Okay, something like this. Now we can select all of these brushes, go to format and union them so they become one big object. We can increase the size. Okay, let's leave it something like this. And now we hit Ctrl X to cut this stuff, graphical element. Now we go to Slide Master. Let's find this blank slide. Let's duplicate it. Now we can paste our graphical, this brush element. And now what we have to do, let's move it to the side a little bit. Now let's insert a picture placeholder that covers the whole slide. Ooh, oops. Let's drag it so that it covers the whole slide. Okay. And now let's make sure that our brush is on the top. Okay. And now we can select our brush. First our image placeholder, our brush, and now let's go to Format, Merge Shapes, and choose Intersect. And this way we have created a brush image placeholder. Let me show you how it works. So just close the Slide Master. Now let's hit on Layouts and choose this one that we have created recently. And now we can click on this icon and we can insert any picture that we want. Hooray! So this is how it looks like. Interesting. And if you want to make it really fancy, you can select this brush. You can go to Format and you can go to Picture Effects and you can add some shadow. For example, this one, top right shadow. So this way your brush stands out even more. Beautiful. Nice. So you can see, ladies and gentlemen, how much you can do with just a few simple brushes, You can really make your slides look awesome. Okay. Let me see what I have done in the original presentation. What more awesome slides? Okay, this one is really awesome as well. So let me show you how you can do it. Let's get back to our presentation. Insert new slide. Let's actually select a blank layout for now. Okay, so first we have to find a circle, grunge brush circle. So for example, this one. Let's actually grab a few of them. Okay, let's paste them here. As you can see, PowerPoint changes the color of these circles automatically according to the color palette that is active. Okay, so let's resize this big one. Let me just activate the guides so that I can see where is the center of the slide. Okay, something like this. Okay, and Let me copy this text. Okie dokie. And for this one, let's actually make it really huge, so it will be like a, yeah, it will be something like this. And now we can actually combine this smaller circle with this bigger one into one big circle. And again, we cut it. We go to slide master. Let's duplicate this blank layout. Let's actually delete all of the rest of the text boxes. Paste this guy. Let's insert once again the image placeholder, which covers the whole slide. Okay, let's move this guy into the center. Now let's select the image placeholder, then the circle. Go to merge shapes and choose intersect. Voila. So now we have our Grunge circle image placeholder, and now we can use it. So right click on the slide and find our layout that we just did. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now let's click on the photo and let's choose this beautiful picture with a forest. Awesome, ladies and gentlemen, that looks awesome. That's really beautiful. We just, and all we are doing just using some simple brushes. I guess they're not so simple. Okay, and as you have probably noticed in my original slide, I have this, washed out background of the forest as well. So I can show you how you can do it here. So basically we just have to insert this picture of a forest. Let's make sure that it covers the whole slide. Now we go to color and choose this I guess this one, light gray or washout. I think it was washout, yes. And we send it to back. Okay, and we have to crop it so that it fits the slide. Okie dokie. Beautiful. Let me just check what was the actual picture mode. Light blue. It was recolor, light blue. Okay, let's do the same here. Somehow it does not give me light blue. Okay, I think this one looks nice. Or let's leave it how it was. Beautiful. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so let's check out the last slide that I did. So let's say you have a slide that looks something like this, and you would like, to add some scribbles and maybe some kind of hand drawn arrow. So all you have to do, just go to this slide which says arrows, and you can grab this circle scribble, you can grab this more rectangular scribble, just hit copy. Let's paste it here. Let's fill it with white color. Okay, let's resize it so that, you know, our content fits inside nicely. Beautiful. And for the arrow, you can choose any arrow that you want. Let's choose this one, hit copy, paste it here, fill it with white color, change the size according to your taste, and voila, we get something looking like this. Awesome. You know, these hand-drawn arrows and the scribble really adds this kind of, you know, natural feeling, natural taste to the slide, and I really like it. Looks awesome. So, ladies and gentlemen, now you know how you can, you know, supercharge your slide design with a couple of, you know, simple but really good looking splashes or brush strokes. And for everyone who were watching this special video so long, I want to actually show you how you can grab any PNG photo, any PNG image, and how you can convert it so that you can, you know, use it in PowerPoint. And by the way, throughout my presentation, I was using this, you know, fun font, really good looking font, and it is called Black Animal. Let me quickly show you where you can download it. So this is how it looks like, Black Animal, and I will put a download link in the video description. It's absolutely free, so if you want to, you know, have the same look as I have it here, so yeah, just download this font and use it on your own computer or laptop. And now let's get back to the PNG image, how to convert it to PowerPoint. So yeah, let's get back to onlygfx.com. So let's say, yeah, you find a PNG image that you like. Okay, let's say this this image. So you just have to, you know, copy this image, and you have to open INKSCAPE. If you've never heard of INKSCAPE, so it's absolutely free open source vector program. You know, it works with vectors, so we don't really have to go into much details. Just oh, by the way, so the first step was to copy this brush, and the next step is you have to paste it into PowerPoint. Okay, so as you can see, it has transparent background. Now you cut it and you paste it into INKSCAPE. Okay, and now you go to Path, Trace Bitmap. Here I choose brightness cutoff, and let me just type in 990, and let's click on OK. And now INKSCAPE, oops, and now INKSCAPE created this, you know, vector image that I can cut, and I can paste it into PowerPoint. Just make sure that you ungroup, right click, ungroup. PowerPoint will give you some kind of notification. Just click yes, and now you can officially do anything that you want with this, you know, brush. You can change its fill. You can even add, you know, some outline if you want. So, you know, you can do anything that you want, and that's awesome. So, you know, I have basically done these couple of steps for all of these brush strokes that you have here. So I did the the boring work for you, so that you can, you know, straight grab any brush that you see here and go design, you know, your best slide in your life. And yeah, if you're wondering where you can download this, special free package of these beautiful strokes, brush strokes, and these couple of slide designs, so just go to my Patreon page, and here you will find, just click on posts, and here you will find a post which is available to everyone. This is a public post, so everyone can view this post. And here are, these two files. So here's a PDF and PPTX. So PDF is just for you to see how, I see it on my computer. And yeah, and here's the PPTX file, so you can download it and you can grab any, brush or splatter or arrow that you like. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again. Massive thank you for, being on my side, for supporting me, for commenting, and for pushing me, And I'm sure we will reach even greater goals together. So thank you for watching, and I wish you a wonderful week ahead. So see you in my next video.